As a homeowner in Rockford, ensuring that your home is secure, energy efficient, and comfortable is a top priority. While regular maintenance can keep your windows and doors in good working condition, there comes a time when replacing them becomes necessary. Whether it's because of age, wear and tear, or the desire to improve energy efficiency, new windows and doors can enhance the look, comfort, and value of your home. But how do you know when it's time to replace your windows and doors? Here are the key signs to look for that indicate it's time for an upgrade in your Rockford home. Drafts and poor insulation. One of the most common signs that it's time to replace your windows and doors is the presence of drafts. If you feel cold air seeping in during the winter or warm air entering in the summer, your windows and doors may no longer be providing the insulation they once did. This can make your home uncomfortable and increase your heating and cooling costs. Old or damaged windows and doors often fail to create a proper seal, allowing air to escape or enter. Replacing them with modern energy-efficient windows and doors can help eliminate drafts and significantly improve your home's insulation. These new windows and doors are designed to minimize heat transfer, ensuring a more consistent temperature throughout your home, and ultimately reducing your energy bills. Condensation between the panes of glass. If you have double-pane windows, condensation between the panes of glass is a sure sign that the window's seal has failed. This issue cannot be repaired, and it is a clear indication that your windows need to be replaced. While you may still be able to see through the window, the appearance of fog or condensation between the glass panes is a sign that moisture is getting trapped inside. When the seals break down, the window loses its insulating properties, which can affect your home's energy efficiency. Replacing the affected windows will restore insulation and improve the overall comfort of your home. Difficulty opening or closing. Over time, windows and doors can become warped, making them difficult to open or close properly. If you struggle to open, close, or lock your windows and doors, it's a sign that they may have worn out or become misaligned. This is especially common with wooden windows and doors that have been exposed to moisture, which can cause the material to swell or warp. A stuck or difficult to operate window or door can be both frustrating and a potential security risk, especially if the lock mechanism no longer works properly. If simple repairs or lubrication don't solve the problem, it's time to consider replacing them with new, easy-to-use options that provide enhanced security and ease of operation. Visible damage or decay. Windows and doors are constantly exposed to the elements, and over time, this can lead to visible damage. Cracked glass, rotting frames, peeling paint, and rusted hardware are all signs that your windows and doors are no longer providing the protection your home needs. For example, wooden windows and doors are particularly vulnerable to rot and decay, especially in Rockford's humid summer months or during the winter freeze-thaw cycles. If you notice any signs of structural damage, such as cracks in the frame or deteriorating wood, it's a clear indication that your windows or doors are beyond repair and need to be replaced. Excessive noise from outside. If you're hearing a lot of outside noise inside your home, your windows and doors might not be providing the sound insulation you need. Older windows and doors with single-pane glass or poor seals are ineffective at blocking out sound, especially in noisy neighborhoods or areas near traffic. Replacing your old windows with soundproofing windows or double-glazed windows can dramatically reduce the amount of noise that enters your home. Whether you live near a busy street or just want a quieter environment inside your home, new windows and doors can improve your quality of life by minimizing noise disturbances. Fading furniture and upholstery. If you notice that your furniture, carpets, and curtains are fading more quickly than they should, it could be a sign that your windows are allowing too much UV light into your home. UV rays can cause interior materials to fade and degrade over time, which not only damages your belongings but also raises the temperature in your home. UV-blocking windows can help prevent this by blocking harmful rays and protecting your furniture and decor from sun damage. Installing new windows with low-E glass or other UV-blocking features can significantly reduce UV exposure, keeping your home's interior looking fresh and preventing the fading of fabrics and colors. Increase in energy bills. If you've noticed a steady increase in your energy bills, your windows and doors could be to blame. Older, inefficient windows and doors allow air to escape and make your HVAC system work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. As a result, you end up spending more money on heating and cooling costs. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors can significantly reduce your energy consumption. Modern windows are designed with better insulation, low emissivity coatings, and double or triple glazing to help minimize heat transfer and keep your home at a comfortable temperature year-round. Desire for an updated look. Sometimes, the need to replace windows and doors isn't about functionality but about aesthetics. If your current windows and doors are outdated or no longer match your home's style, it's worth considering an upgrade to refresh the look of your home. New windows and doors come in a variety of styles, colors, and materials, so you can choose options that complement your home's design and enhance its curb appeal. Whether you prefer the sleek look of vinyl windows, the classic elegance of wooden doors, or the durability of fiberglass, replacing your windows and doors can give your home a modern, updated appearance. Conclusion. Replacing your windows and doors is an investment that can significantly improve your home's comfort, security, and energy efficiency. Whether it's due to drafts, damage, difficulty operating, or simply the desire for an updated look, recognizing the signs that it's time to replace your windows and doors will help you make an informed decision. If you've noticed any of these signs in your Rockford windows and doors, consider consulting with a professional window and door contractor. Replacing your windows and doors will not only improve your home's performance but will also increase its value, giving you a more comfortable and secure living space for years to come.